If you're a trader serious about doubling their portfolio next month, I highly recommend you watch this entire video from start to finish. Before we get into the chart breakdown, I owe you guys a quick apology. I know some of you guys been waiting for videos this week, and trust me, I've been meaning to post. But being out here in Brazil with spotty Wi-Fi hasn't made things easy. But listen, we're back, we're better, and I've got one major stock on my radar that you need to be watching. This could be the next breakout runner heading into the end of June. So let's get straight to it. The stock I'm talking about is APLD, Applied Digital Corporation. If you're unfamiliar, APLD is a company in the data infrastructure space. Think high performance computing, AI cloud hosting. Basically, they're building the tech backbone for everything from Web3 to AI. And with the surge in demand for AI infrastructure and decentralized data solutions, APLD has been quietly trending up. Not explosive yet, but that's exactly why I'm watching it. As you guys know, I do not like getting into crowded trades. I rather get into it very, very early so we can take advantage of the uptrend. And while everyone is piling in, that is our perfect signal to sell. All right, so now let's look at the monthly chart. Now, you guys know I love to start from big picture and work my way down. You always have to zoom out to see the bigger picture, because if you focus on the 15-minute, the 30-minute chart, yes, it might look good at that time, but if you don't have that outer perspective, it can easily not go in your favor. So like most charts, before I start anything, I'm going to mark my demand zone. And if you're new to trading, let me break this down. A demand zone is an area where buyers consistently step in. It's where price holds strong and institutional money often shows its hand. APLD has been consolidating inside this demand zone since this time last year. That's 12 months of compression, and you already know the longer the base, the stronger the breakout. Now what's interesting here is the volume. Let's talk about that for a second. Volume is like the heartbeat of a chart. It tells you when the market is paying attention. And when I see increasing volume, especially inside a tight consolidation like this, that's often a signal that something big is going to happen very, very soon. It means accumulation. It means smart money is loading before the crowd wakes up. Like I said, always focus on where the smart money is, not where retail is going. It means we're likely overdue for a move, and we want to be in a position before that breakout can. Now, if you zoom in on the daily chart, this is where things kind of get fun. We're forming a perfect wedge, and as you guys know, if you're in the Discord, you've seen me trade this exact pattern dozens of times. It's one of my favorites because it's a tension pattern. Price keeps tightening, and when it breaks, it's an explosive move towards the upside. Right now, APLD is testing a key breakout level around $11.15. If we break and hold above that level with volume, that is our green light for the next leg up. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Yes, this looks like a great chart, but how am I going to play it? So I'm going to get straight into how I will personally play this setup. With a setup like this, I'm not looking for same week lotto plays. You want time on your side. Rather, it's contracts a month out, 2 months out, even further. Why? Because these setups don't always explode day one, but when they do they move really fast. And the last thing you want is to take a position too tight on time, see a pullback, and have to cut your trade short instead of scaling in or letting it work. How I prevent this is I always scale in a quarter to half of my position. Then if I see further confirmation towards my preferred side, I then scale in more contracts, or even better, if it goes down or pulls back to a certain level, I can scale in my other quarter or half position. Remember, we're not here for get rich quick plays. We're here to position early, manage our risk, and give our setups time to breathe. I've already dropped the exact contract I'm in inside the Discord, and yes, we're planning to hold that until we hit 100% profit. I'm just joking. Actually, I'm not, because I truly believe this one has the potential. And if you've been watching the volume, the wedge, and the macro tailwind with AI, you probably feel the same way. So to wrap this up, APLD is one of the most promising breakout setups I'm seeing right now. You have solid consolidation, you have clean technical patterns, volume building, and macro momentum behind this name. Keep it on your radar, and like I said before, manage your risk, and as always, stay patient. If this breakdown brought you value, drop a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a setup. And if you want real-time alerts and my exact entries, you already know where to find me. Discord link is in the description.